Thank you for helping me out. This document looks a little difficult, but it's really not. Once you open it, you come to the 2021 curriculum frameworks, and we're doing it for office administration. So that would be anyone that, works in your office, whether front, back office, staff. And it also has one in legal office. So I'm just going to scroll through. This is all the directions, but I'm going to walk you through it. So the first, you're going to come down to this page, and all I want you to do is put your name, occupation, business, and email. That's so I can keep track of everyone. Then we scroll down to, here's where we work everything. You come to the first one, demonstrate the ability in teleconferencing and video conferencing. Do we want to keep it? Do we want to update it? Do we want to delete it? Or do you want to make a new one? So teleconferencing can sound old or new, but here's a good example of one that I can just go right off the bat that it's going to leave. Is number 2, discuss the importance of voicemail, paging, transferring, recording messages, international calls, and screening calls. Now the one that pops out of me is very outdated is paging. So I would hit, we need to update that and remove paging. You just type that right in there. So you would just read through, and if you would keep them, you would hit the X for keep, or if it needs to be updated, which I'm thinking quite a few might have language in them that need to be updated. Some of them may be so irrelevant now in the workplace that you might want to delete. You can hit delete. Now these are just examples that I'm doing. And if we're missing something through all of this and you're like, you know what, I really think you guys need to work on something else, you can add it in here. Add new objective. Oops, if I could spell. I still can't spell, but I'm sorry about that this morning. You would just type it in there. Like if you're going through this whole thing and you're like, well, they're missing the mark on this one. These students should, definitely need to know how to do this. You would just type it in here. Or if anything like copyright laws, I don't really know that one's needed. You would hit delete on that one. This is up to you. This is your opinion of what we should keep, what we should update, what we should delete, or have a new one. I hope I explained this good. Thank you.